Dunstan Mews, East London. Hello Jim, gaffer today. How you doing, champ?
Hi guys, how is everyone getting on?
Good, good.
Today we are going to be doing a patio surface clean, and we're going to be doing some gutter cleaning as well. So we're going to start off with a Mosmatic surface cleaner to go over the patio so we can get through quickly with James on that. And then we're going to come down afterwards with a turbo and rinse it down and get any bits that we've missed. And then from there we'll be using a soft wash on the patio as well to really bring up a good finish from it.
Okay, Jim, thanks for the comprehensive breakdown. So I'm looking forward to this. So I'll go join James on the patio clean. I'll let you get your gear out.
We'll start getting prepped and we'll get going.
Nice
Cheers,
one.
guys.
All right, Jim, top man, top man.
Catch you in a bit.
This is the patio area. Very long and thin patio area. Goes all the way down here. Let's take a walk. Looking back. That's along there, and we've got this area here as well. It continues right to the end, and there. Then this walkway through here. And then it comes round where this bike store is. So quite a long surface area. So we've got James, he's just sweeping the whole area first, clearing the area, getting it all clear before he starts the pressure washing. So the engines are fired up, and we've got the old gaffer there, Irish Jim. He's just giving our new guy a quick intro to the Mosmatic surface cleaner. Look at that lovely smooth motion there, putting the finishing touches to the induction, the right pressure, the right speed. It's an art, this game. It's a true art. Alright, we've got James on the tools. Jim, how are we doing? Give us an update.
Now what we've done, guys, is we've went over all the patio surface with the Mosmatic surface cleaner, and we got all the real heavy stuff off it. So now we're going around the edging, getting with the turbo nozzle to get up any of the edging and tidy it all up. From there we are looking to put down a soft wash onto it to take out any last bits of awkward dirt that doesn't want to come out, and then with that we'll be giving it a rinse down, and that'll be the job finished out.
Nice. Okay, Jim, I'll leave you to it, brother.
Perfect.
Good
Thanks.
work so far. Little update from the job. So we've got James. He's continuing the turbo nozzling down there, getting the rest of that muck off. And whilst he's doing that, Irish Jim is starting on the soft washing. Just going to distribute that all around this patio, brush it in. So got simultaneous work going on here, getting ahead of the game. What's happening? That's a soft wash done. What now?
Now guys, we have the soft wash put down, which has cleaned off a lot of the algae and all that was on it. So now we're just going to give it a rinse down, give the whole area a rinse down, and that'll be us finished. So with that, it's about getting the patio up as clean as we can, using the proper chemicals and the proper methods.
All the best, good luck.
Thank you.
So the boys are just putting the finishing touches on the job. The rinse off's done. Just packing the gear away. Just doing one last walk round, checking his work, a bit of quality control. Just making sure everything is put back to its original places, leaving it how we found it, except much cleaner. That's the end of play today. You happy with the results?
Yeah, the patio and the whole job all in all came up fairly well. Quite happy with how it turned out considering how bad it was. It turned out very well.
I'm in agreement. Very good transformation today, Jim. So I think you've earned yourself a well-deserved rest.
Onwards and upwards, guys.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. See you on the next job.